Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here as your K beauty guide. Our third monthly mission is all about this, so let's get into this because I am too excited to share everything related to K beauty today, from its globalization to its trend and tips and tricks how you can add K beauty in your daily routine. So let's not waste much time here and get into the video. So we all know that K-beauty has taken over the world. Like, it became a global phenomena, right? It gained its popularity so much. And do you guys know the reason? Let's take a look. The very first reason is K-pop and K-drama, because it has the most significant role in promoting K-beauty standards and product globally, because we all are somehow obsessed with our K-pop idol actresses and how they do their makeup and what product they are using, what technology they are using and doing on their skin and the body. We all are obsessed with these things. So the second reason is social media, like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. These apps also plays a huge role in advertising. You have seen how much craziest trends, skincare, regime and everything going on in social media, and 90% of time it's like more related to K beauty products. Influencers these days are mostly talking about K beauty, and they are not even wrong, because K beauty has literally like raised our beauty standard from here to here, so I truly accepted. Third reason is innovative product. Korean beauty company, I already told you that they has raised our beauty standards from here to here. Like, we are so much into K beauty these days because of its innovation, technology, the formulation, the ingredient, all these plays a huge role. They're doing literally something different from the other beauty industries, because that's why it's spreading globally. People are so obsessed with Korean beauty culture. I am going to share you some tips and tricks how you can incorporate with the K beauty into your normal skin routine. The first step you can do is start with basic. The more focuses on understanding your skin first. Like, you have to know about your skin, and then add Korean beauty into your routine. That will make sense in future when you get the actual result. You have to be patient and consistent with your K beauty regimen, because it's a long term with a lot of steps you need to add to literally incorporate with your K beauty standards. Experiments with products, you have to experiment with the ingredients and the products. Like, they have given us a lot of options to try on. Experimenting is not bad, but make sure you take care of your skin. Like, if something is not suiting you, stop that. Try to do something else. Let me clear one thing. These are things that literally going on in today's era. I'm not forcing you to do everything, apply every K beauty product, and I don't want you to do that. It's like, if you're really interested and you are a skincare or makeup girly, you can try on different things. That's all I want to share. I'm not forcing you to do like everything or every routine, but if you are a type of girly or a person, I don't know who is watching, so yeah. Hydration, they are more focuses on hydrating ingredients, but they really emphasizing on both inner and outer beauty. Either if you are healing from inside, you will definitely grow from outside as well. Research and read reviews. See, if you are starting from the basic, you have to understand that researching or reviewing about the product is plays a huge role. Not only about K beauty, but any beauty product you use, you definitely do research, and then then try to apply on your skin according to your skin concerns. So look for the product review, its ingredient list, and rating. You have to take care of everything, right? Because they will tell you how you can apply this product, and if it's worth it for your skin or not. They will tell you everything. That's why we follow influencers, right? So follow influencer. Skincare is something they more focuses on, and while doing makeup they use very little quantity. Like even in its foundation they don't choose like a very huge amount of foundation or a lot of concealer. They never do that. They use very minimum amount or minimal amount of any foundation or makeup products. That I've seen a lot of makeup artists, Korean makeup artists, and influencers doing the makeup and things. Even the tutorials and everything, they use very minimal quantity, and yet it becomes so beautiful. It turns out to very natural, and that's the main thing. Show the minimal, natural, clean, healthy, glowy look. What is trending in 2025? Let's get into this topic. So that's all I can share, like my experience or my own guided experience on Korean beauty culture. I hope you liked it or maybe loved it. Sometimes if you want me to add changes in any sort of a thing, so please let me know. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care of yourself. Mwah. Love ya.